Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hallelujah. We, the sons and daughters of the prophet, worldwide represented here, is that time of the year again where we come out together to say happy birthday to a great father, a living icon, a father that cannot be compared. Daddy, we say thank you. A lot of us didn't have direction for life until we met you. On this special day, we can only say to you that in a short while, every one of us here, you'll be proud of us. But we are saying you will eat the fruit of your labor. You have already declared this year as a year of victory. And we say it's going to be victory on every side. Amen. In the name of Jesus. Amen. Daddy, you are the best. We thank you for giving us direction. We don't know what we would have looked like if we had not met you. One more time, we say happy birthday. Daddy, where they pamper.